If you're looking for a cool, minimalist, tactical wallet, then check this out. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just picked this up. It's a tactical ID wallet, and as you can see here, it has all sorts of features: RFID, credit card information, protection layer, carbon fiber, aluminum alloy construction, holds 15 credit debit cards, ultra lightweight. Oh, it's promising the world. So I'm going to open it up and see if the world is actually here. Now, this brand here has a bunch of different wallets. I actually picked up a few because I wanted to see what the difference was between them, but I love these minimalist wallets. They have changed my life. I used to use the big leather wallets, the bifold wallets, and then I actually switched to a leather money clip with a kind of a side wallet to it. But this has been so much more durable and smaller that I thought I would check this one out. So you can see here it says Warmounts. We've got a nice big metal clip right there. That thing is sturdy. Just spanked that wallet. Naughty wallet. You can see there we have a Warmounts card that can slide right in there. So you can absolutely fold your money, put it on the outside. This sticks up just a little bit, but man, look how cool this thing looks. This color here actually kind of looks like an anodized chocolate to me. You can see the cutouts there and the carbon fiber in there. We even have a little loop there if you wanted to put lanyard or something on there. So then what I want to show you is that this sucker is on elastic. And what you can see is we have elastic on the top and the bottom here. And then there is a piece right down there on the very bottom. So you can put in cards like this, and you don't have to worry about them falling out of the bottom. We also have this little cutout right there. You can see that I can push the cards up like this or grab them right here. So this little Coke bottle shape here is actually really useful for pulling those out. Now I want to flip over to this side here too, because what you can see is we have a sleeve for certain cards. So let's say you got to push out that pass to get into your office, or your transit card, or the ID that you always have to show. You could keep that right there, or maybe even your preferred credit card. In fact, this is just a piece of paper, and you can see it's a little too slim for that. So you want it to be a little bit thicker, a credit card or an ID, something laminated, you know, like my hands. But that is really cool because you can have a really easy access to the most important card. Now, I want to show you here. I will grab some of these cards here. So got the stack of business cards, because now what we can do is put the rest of your credit cards and stuff in here. Now, I'm just going to take a little short stack of this to simulate what I think most people would have, either a few business cards, a few credit cards, right? Those just go in there just like this. You can see that business cards are usually just a little bit smaller than credit cards, so there's even a little more extra space, all right? But I have a huge stack of business cards in there, and what I want to show you here is that we could put a ton more than, let's say, 15 credit cards. I don't carry 15 credit cards because no bank would be stupid enough to give me a credit card. But what I wanted to show you here is I have a whole stack of these business cards, and I'm just going to shove them in here. Now, I do think that this is an extreme example. I only really do this to show you how much stuff you can put in here, and that this thing expands unlike every other wallet. So if this were a leather wallet, there's only so much that it's going to expand. And the problem with those is that when you really shove a lot of stuff in there, it kind of expands the wallet, but then it holds that shape. So if you take out some business cards, a lot of the stuff can just flop out of leather wallets, or I should say non-tactical inferior wallets. But in this case, everything stays nice and sturdy. And if I pull out some of these, and let's just say I'm going to a conference or a convention or a work event, and I want to take a bunch of business cards, I can throw them in there. But then once they're gone, this thing is still tight, still nice and tight, holding all the stuff that I would normally carry on a regular day-to-day basis right in here. So if you want to pick up a wallet that is tactical, that will allow you to have access to your most important card on the outside, your cash on the other side, easily access your business cards, credit cards, library card, Blockbuster card, then this is what you're going to want. So I would definitely pick up one of these Warmounts tactical wallets because they are small, they take up less space in your pocket, and they adjust to whatever you're carrying. I'll put a link to this one in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.